Hey, what's happening, everybody? So today I used my Google Pixel 8 Pro without a case. Yes, I was nervous the whole time. I was afraid it was gonna like slide out of my pocket or something when I was leaning over doing stuff, and I was always real careful holding it. But I want to say something really fast about this phone. Maybe my hands were cleaner than normal today, but this phone felt easy to hold and easy to carry without a case. It was not a big deal. But basically, this video is called the field test. And look, real quick disclaimer, I'm not one of those people that says phones hurt in the hand or phones feel good in the hand or none of that. A phone's a phone in the hand, not a big deal. I don't think phones are heavy. I don't think they're light. They're just there. It's like when you pick up a can of soda or whatever you're picking up, it's there. You don't really notice the weight. So as far as this Pixel 8 goes, I will say this now that the disclaimer is over. So it has these rounded edges, right? But you still have like a regular edge right there. And real quick, as far as that goes, the flat display, I'm a fan of rounded displays, like the waterfall display, I guess they call it. I know a lot of people in the tech community are kind of like not digging that. I totally dig it, like with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So whatever, I just think people complain for the sake of complaining because there's no reason for it. Anyway, now the one thing I wanted to talk about was that little edge right there, or these edges, but this edge. There's been some people like in videos saying stuff like, oh, it accumulates dust and all that. Maybe if you're a girl, that's something you worry about. But if you're a guy, that really should be something you complain about or worry about. And it's pretty simple. At the end of the day, get some kind of fabric, garment, whatever. Just simply wipe it off and it's gone. It's not going to accumulate dust. It's not going to do anything bad like that. Now, as far as, let me see, what else could I say? But you really see how I'm holding it, right? Like, you see how I hold it? I got like this grip like this, right? Because I don't want to, I don't want to like drop it. So I do not recommend you go caseless. But as far as the way the phone feels, it does feel good. It's nice and rounded and all that. And I'm also not one of those dudes that say a phone feels sexy, because that's stupid. It does not feel sexy. Women feel sexy, not a phone. Come on, guys, get with it. But it does feel, I guess you could say, sleek, right? These rounded edges, aerodynamic. But I wanted to say something else. It's kind of a fat phone, right? Like the BBW phone. It's a fat phone, and I like a phone with size. I'm not one of these weirdos that wants a thin phone. I don't understand these guys that want a thin, light phone. Y'all need to hit the gym or go do some deadlifts or something. Go pick up some dumbbells. Figure something out. But anyway, on a scale of 1 to 10, I definitely, using it without a case, the field test, the way this phone's designed, I definitely give this phone an easy 9. I could give it a 10, but we'll just give it a 9. All right, everybody. Thank all of you for watching, and I will catch all of you in the next one. Take care.